welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, it's 4th of July here in USA, and happy 4th of July USA. It means Independence Day here. If in the Philippines it's June 12, here it's 4th of July as we called, and I'm preparing myself going to Auntie Sandra's house to have celebration of 4th of July. They're celebrating 4th of July here is holiday, going somewhere, beach, barbecue, like that. So just gonna prepare myself, put makeup, something, and see you later. So I get the outfit like this for 4th of July. Let's go! So we dropped by at the Tira Celia's Filipino comfort food since 1990 to take some order earlier. Mom and Uncle Warlito went in. So this is Auntie Sandra's house, Uncle Eddie's ex-wife. So it's so big property and I love it. Charot. So this is how they celebrate 4th of July. Party at the house party with family. Sunbathing, sunbathing because it's too cold and I'm wearing sleeveless, so I need heat so I won't get easily cold.
Hi! Hello! Happy 4th of July!
Golly! So strict. Man.
I promise it's not going to be any egg.
Bon appetit. Bon appetit.
This salad mix, did you make it? No, it's Chinese chicken salad. Yeah, I bought it. Here's some, should I put more sauce or should I just use on the side? Try out.
Oh, that's
So we're just enjoying the fireworks for the 4th of July celebration.
Okay, ready? Yellow's gonna do this.
We got home from Auntie Sandra's house, so we decided to watch fireworks at Dignity Sports. I don't know if naabutan pa namin yun, so tignan natin. So, we're home and wala kaming naabutan na fireworks sa Dignity Sports. So, uwi sila at it's still 4th of July but it's ending with a bang. We have a lot of fun. So, that's it for this vlog. I hope you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next vlog. Peace out!